Social Change is a nonprofit organization that is bringing hope, help, and community inclusion to people with disabilities in our ever-dynamic world. For nearly 3 decades, we have developed a robust system that brings growth to those living with varying disabilities, to include autism, mental health, and other developmental disabilities. In the light of our quest to help everyone experience a life of individualized preference, we have continuously invested funds to apply modern support services to people who have disabilities. Each of the personnel on our team is professionally trained and committed to do their best in order to assist, achieve, and exceed each person's life goals. Center for Social Change's programs cover an array of services for people with intellectual, physical, developmental, and mental health disabilities. Our programs serve people of all ages. The Children Housing Program focuses on self-growth and healing to be able to reunite families with their children. Each child has a unique plan for reaching a level of independence to continue the family network and connection. While living in a home with Center for Social Change, the children not only focus on the day-to-day activities of other children, such as school, work, and chores, but also experiencing varying community activities where they could not successfully participate without such support. The Adult Housing Program focuses much on the same, self-growth and independence. Each adult has a personalized plan to address growth, connections with family and the community, and enrichment. Both children and adult housing programs provide opportunities for various things each individual prefers to do, such as visiting family, attending religious activities, taking a vacation, or doing something the individual has never been able to do in the past.
Brian would have to be, when he was about 2 years old, we were very concerned about his day-to-day behavior. Things just didn't seem to be normal. When he originally came to the Center for Social Change, my goodness, he was doing all kinds of medications, and I know at one point when he was in the place up in Massachusetts, Avalon, Brian was, and that was in the middle 80s, I believe. Brian, Shirley and I, we had to pay his bills for each month for his medicines, and he was taking in the middle 80s over $600 a month in prescriptions to try to control his behavior. And it wasn't but maybe a year or two after he was in the Center for Social Change.
The vocational services to individuals with developmental disabilities promote a supported employment model that assures levels of employment that are equal to the general population. It promotes state policies governing employment that must support efforts to access meaningful employment as well as career planning programs for individuals with disabilities. Supported employment enhances an incubatory type project model where individuals at various levels of functioning find employment. A creative model of employment is to establish micro-units of business for individuals who are taught to manage a business. Ownership of business is the best way to success, to independence, and growth in life. Supported employment opportunities to adults with developmental disabilities, in general, enhance their self-esteem, confidence, acceptance, equality, and promotion of career. Through personal support, Center for Social Change assists families in securing resources to help with the care of their loved ones. Center for Social Change provides trained staff to work directly in the homes to continue a structured and enriched life, while maintaining the day-to-day needs of their loved ones to add to the family unit. Center for Social Change Adult Medical Daycare Program is designed to promote independence to older adults with medical and mental health disabilities through providing structured and therapeutic services within the community. Our program provides an array of services, including medical, recreational, spiritual, and social services in a supportive group setting. Skilled nursing services and supervision are provided for all individuals according to the individual's needs and physician's recommendations. Our clinical team coordinates necessary medical care and treatment to assist in reaching optimal health and functionality for all. Our activity program is altered to allot all individuals the ability to participate, regardless of their skill level, and includes categories such as physical fitness, cognitive teasers, creative arts, community outings, entertainment, cooking class, religious studies, and much more. Our activity program is based on the individual's recommendations and designed to enhance the capacity of each participant. The quality of life of older and/or disabled adults is dependent upon full access to medical, recreational, and social opportunities, which permit the person to function at his or her highest level possible, despite physical and/or cognitive conditions that may limit access to opportunities in the larger community. Rising Sun Assisted Living is our latest entity of business and a new and exciting business adventure for Center for Social Change. Licensed under the Home and Community-Based Options Waiver, we provide services to the older adult population whose decline in health has limited their ability to care for themselves independently. We provide high quality of care, individualized to each resident based on their person-centered plan, medical recommendations, their personal input, as well as family recommendations. Not only do we assist with activities of daily living, medication administration and management, skilled nursing services, but also community integration. Community integration is an essential aspect of our care and of an individual's quality of life in showing value to one's uniqueness, independence, and empowerment. It is of vital mention that we are open to do more through our unique program. This is why we believe we must continue to extend a helping hand and showing them we truly care. Our desire is to brighten the lives of people who have various disabilities. Our unique approach to reach life goals for each individual will not only bring joy, it helps families and the communities experience the compassion and commitment of others in the world today.